In this video, you'll learn how to edit the mobile version of your website using the Webflow website builder. By following these steps, you will be able to optimize your site for mobile users effectively. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard, open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow URL. Once you reach the homepage, look for the option labeled Sites in the navigation menu. This area displays all the projects associated with your account. After accessing the Sites section, you will see a list of your projects. Locate the specific site you wish to edit. It is important to select the correct site, as changes will only apply to the selected project. Click on the site's name or the corresponding thumbnail to proceed. Once you've selected your site, you will find an option that says Open in Webflow. Click on this button to launch the Webflow editor. This action will redirect you to the editing interface where you can make the necessary changes to your website. With the Webflow editor open, focus on the top of the screen for the device view options. Here, you will see icons representing different screen sizes. Click on the mobile view icon, which typically resembles a smartphone. This will switch your view to the mobile version of your website, allowing you to see how it appears on smaller screens. While in mobile view, you can make various adjustments to enhance the user experience for mobile visitors. Keep in mind that larger files or images may slow down loading times, which can affect user engagement. It's advisable to check the file sizes of images being used and optimize them to ensure quick loading times on mobile devices. After making your edits, be sure to save your changes. Look for the Save option usually found in the top right corner of the interface. Confirm that your changes have been saved before exiting the editor. This step is crucial to ensure that all modifications are applied to the live site. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.